Hello, welcome back to Darak Watches. I'm Derek. Today we have a watch from Richard who lives in Florida. He got this watch modded a few years ago and now he wants to remodel the watch and also upgrade the movement. In this step, we are removing the bezel so he can fit his new coinage bezel. After removing the bezel, you can see the bezel click spring. We need to keep this for future use. In this step, we are working on the chapter ring, so we need to remove the case back, the movement, the glass, so we can get to it. Now I refitted the movement back to the case, so we can align the chapter ring to the movement. Using some 3M special adhesive so we can fix the chapter ring to the case so it will be aligned. Install a new crystal gasket. Now we are ready to reinstall the crystal. In this step, I'm using a press to install the crystal. You have to be very cautious in this step or you will damage the crystal gasket, which when it deforms, it's trash. You need to get a new one. Or in the worst case scenario, you will shatter the crystal, which is very bad. So my opinion is you need to press a little, turn around and press even more to get even force all the way. After the crystal is refitted, now it's time to do the water pressure test. This is the water pressure tester. For this tester, it can test up to 50 meters of water resistance. Now I place the case above water, pump it up to 50 meters of water pressure, leave it there for 10 minutes. If there is a leak in the case, now the air have a chance to seep into the case and balance out the pressure. After 10 minutes, I will drop the watch under water and release the pressure. If we can see a tiny steady stream of bubble coming out of the case, it means the case is not waterproof. In this case, I did not see a steady stream of bubble coming out, so the watch is waterproof. Now I will swap the dial, the handset, the movement spacer, and the date wheel over to the new movement. The new movement is a NH36 movement. It comes with the gray movement spacer. It's actually 0.6 millimeters thinner than the black Seiko movement spacer, so we are swapping the movement spacer. Normally, the movement spacer will be pressed tightly against the case back. If the movement spacer is thinner, the case back will not press on the movement, means the movement can flap around inside the case, and then you will have a risk to break your stem. Actually, I saw some footage online which the stem break. Now we are swapping the day wheel. As you can see, the Tuesday and the 12th doesn't align because this movement was designed for 3 o'clock crown position. As you can see, the day wheel part number is 0160242M. We need a 282M. We need to swap the day wheel from the off movement over because that day wheel is designed for 4 o'clock crown position. As you can see, I spin the Tuesday over and now aligned to the 12th. My apology, somehow I forgot to film the dial and handset installation footage. I thought I did, but I checked the file, it's not there. If you need to see how I did it, please check out my other videos. I'm very sorry. Now we are cleaning the movement and the case back, and I will case the watch. Now I will install the bezel click spring, the bezel, and the bezel insert. This is a piece of sapphire bezel insert from LCBI. This is very cool. This is the first time I see a sapphire bezel insert. If you found this video is entertaining and educational, please like the video and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This will help out the channel a lot. There are more videos like this in my channel. Please take your time to watch them all. Thank you for your support. If you have any questions, comment, concern, or you want to order a watch just like this, please write me an email. It is contact@darakwatches.com. This has been Darak from Darak Watches. I will see you next time. Bye.